I'm just going to show you how to use SAS Graphics Accelerator. It's a free add-in to Chrome which allows you to use soundification. If you're using JAWS, you have to press Alt-Shift-T to find it in your toolbar. If you have Sight, it's just this little blue S over here. I'm going to click on it. Up will pop up a window. Just press Tab until you go to Laboratory. Press Enter. I'm going to press Tab again, and I want to create a table. I'm pressing Tab again. It says number of columns. I want 2. Number of rows. When I press Tab, I want 5. Press Tab again to next. Enter. I'm in the first column, first row. It's going to be names. I'll press Tab. It'll now move to the second column, first row. I want that to be Braille, reading, speed, WPM for words per minute. I'll press Tab. I'm back in the first column, but now in the second row, I'm going to start putting in people's names. So Barbara, her Braille reading speed is 100 words per minute, so I type 100. I press Tab. I'm going to put in Bruce. I press Tab. It's now the second column, second row. I'm going to put 105. Press Tab. It's going to be the first column, third row. We'll put Bain. Tab. It's going to be the second column, third row. I'm going to put 125. Tab again. It's going to be Billy. And that'll be now the second column, fourth row, 175. Tab again into my first column, last row. It's going to be Barry. I'll tab again, and I'll put in his at 250 words per minute. I tab across to save it, and I'm going to tab to create the table name. And I'm going to create it to Braille reading speed. If you have JAWS on when you're tabbing through, it'll read everything to you. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to press Shift-Tab to navigate backwards to save to Laboratory. And I do that with Enter. I'm going to tab across where it says Return to Laboratory, Download, Table Properties, Create Graph. I want to create the graph using the table that I just created, so Enter. Press Tab again until you hear Chart Type. I'll press the down arrow until you get to the chart type you want. I'm going to choose a bar chart, so I press down arrow once. I'm going to tab through again. It says X-axis variable. X-axis is the one on the bottom. I'm going to choose names. Tab across to Y-axis. And when I'm in there, I'm going to use down arrow to press Braille reading speed, words per minute. Tab across. And then it's going to say minimum value of Y-axis, 100. Maximum value of Y-axis, 300, because all of our numbers fit between 100 to 300. I'm going to tab across to the sort order. And then what I'm going to do is scroll down until I have the Y-axis value ascending. I'm going to press OK. And it gives me the option that says, do you actually want to look at this chart? I do. Enter. You heard the pitch. That was Barbara at 100. Now we're going to go up to Bruce, which is slightly higher. Then Bain, who's a little bit higher. Then we're going to hear Billy. Then Barry. Notice how the pitch changes as we go. I was using the right arrow key to navigate there. I'm going to use the left arrow key. So as I use the right and left arrow keys, you can hear it change. I'm going to hold Shift right arrow. Shift left arrow. In the bottom right corner, it actually has the person's name. So for instance, this is Bruce, Braille reading speed, words per minute, 105. Bain, Braille reading speed, 125. If JAWS was on, it would actually be reading these to them. That's it.